In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending articles on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your PayPal account to see the most viewed help topics, so you can quickly get answers to common issues without opening a support ticket. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website. Make sure you're on the official site and that the connection is secure. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your account summary page. This is the central hub for your balance, recent activity, and quick links. Give the page a moment to fully load so all navigation options appear. Sometimes certain menus show only after the dashboard finishes loading. From the summary page, look for the More option in the navigation area. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button labeled More or an icon with 3 dots. Clicking this reveals additional tools and links that aren't always visible up front. If you're on a smaller screen or using a mobile browser, the More option could be tucked into a menu icon, so don't hesitate to expand the menu if you don't see it immediately. Within that expanded set of options, select Go to Resolution Center. The Resolution Center is PayPal's hub for managing disputes, chargebacks, and account limitations, but it also connects you to timely support resources. Think of it as a help command center, where PayPal surfaces guidance tailored to issues customers are most actively resolving. Once the Resolution Center opens, look for the section labeled Trending Articles. This area highlights the most viewed help articles right now, topics that other users are searching and reading the most. It's a great way to quickly find answers to popular questions, like clarifications about recent policy updates, troubleshooting failed payments, or steps to address a transaction concern. Click any article to open it, and consider scanning the Related Articles section that often appears alongside the main content. If you're comparing multiple topics, open them in new tabs so you can switch back and forth easily. Keep in mind that layouts can vary slightly by region and account type, so if the label or position looks a bit different, look for wording like trending, popular, or featured within the Help or Disputes dashboard. When you're done, you can return to your account summary using your browser's back button or the site's navigation. And that's it. Now you know how to find trending articles on PayPal quickly and confidently.